Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to plant lily bulbs in a very hard alkaline soil what I have here. You can see that I've already started planting my lily cultivars, which are some of them are from seeds, some of them I bought from wholesalers or mail order companies. So I brought some scales so we can see what the circumference of the bulb is. I brought the big ones out because I have these seedlings growing for 4 years now, and these are trumpets or Aurelian hybrids, and the bulbs can grow really huge, thankfully. So I have these little sizers. These are 25 centimeters long, about 10 inches, and this is going to be my distance between the rows. And one bed is around a meter and 10 centimeters wide. It's just very simply I put these on the soil there, and I just put my line so I can plant bulbs in a straight line, just like that. Okay, let's dig the row. You can see the soil is very good now because I rototilled it 8 times, and you can also see that there are some brick particles because there was a brick road in the soil, which made me very unhappy, and believe me, the rototill was very unhappy too. And now I'm just pulling out the soil, throwing out the brick parts. So there we have the line, or more precisely the row, and I just get one of these plastic picks. It's 42 centimeters long. I put it at the beginning of the row, and I write up the cultivars in this book, which is so these should be tetraploid trumpets, which I got the seeds from seed exchange, and these seed exchanges are wonderful because you can buy the seeds of cultivar, seeds of species lilies or lily hybrids, which were hybridized by the people who donated the seeds. So let's see what size of this bulb is. Well, it's much bigger than 30. It's even bigger than 32 centimeters. It's between 32 and 34 centimeters, because you can see that it's not entirely round, so let's put it between 32 and 34. You usually get trumpet bulbs from 16 to 18 centimeter circumference or 18 to 20 centimeter circumference. Sometimes if you're lucky you can get 24 plus, while this is 32, 34. So just these are the roots. These basal roots are very important because these are the roots which are perennial roots, and the stem below the ground, for most species, there are exceptions of course, but most species have stem roots, and these stem roots are annual roots, so they form on the stem growing in the spring and they will last till October. And you can see there's a hole in the bulb. That was last year's stem. This is this year's stem, and these are the scales of a lily bulb. If you break them down, if you break them off, don't be alerted. You just break it off, plant it, and they will regenerate bulbs in the same year for trumpets, or you can see the new growth next year for lilies, which needs cooling to sprout. So I just plant them in the soil nicely, and oh, I forgot the etiquette. So there's an etiquette for the pick, and there's an etiquette which will be planted with the bulbs at the end of the row. There. So I got 2 good bulbs from this seed lot, and a couple of smaller ones which are okay. I can space them out. So you can see I broke a few scales. I will just plant them at the end of the row, and that's it. Now I'm going to fill the row with soil, and then a good watering is beneficial for the lilies to take root. So they are just planted down like this. And that's it. There are just a couple of hundred packets of lilies are waiting to be planted, so I stop talking and keep working. These will flower from end of May in Hungary till mid to late August, because I have almost all the horticultural, I have species or cultivars from all the RHS horticultural divisions. So see you later.